Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video. So today we will have a detailed look about the 5 companies whose debt is nearly to zero and whose current price should be trading below 10 rupees. So let's start the video with the first company in our look. So the first company which we are talking about is Vikas Lifecare Ltd. So the current price of the company is 3 rupees, whereas all-time high was around 5.6 rupees, whereas low was 2.7 rupees. In the last 1 year, the company has delivered negative 37.76% to its shareholders. So the company was incorporated in 1995 and the company trades and manufactures polymers, rubber components and additives of plastics, synthetics and natural rubbers, infra, Argo products, FMCG products, etc. So this was the detail about this company. So now let's have a look on the fundamental key highlight of this company. So we will have a quick snap look. So the market cap is around 440 crores. The ROC, which is return on capital employed, is negative 7%. The EPS, which is earning per share, is 0.11 rupees. The book value is 2.3 rupees, whereas ROE, which is return on equity, is negative 5.8%. So this was the fundamental key highlight of this company. So now let's have a look on the pros and cons account of this company. So in pros, the company is almost debt free. The company has expected to give a good quarterly results and the debtors day has improved from 179 days to almost 128 days. And the company's working capital has also reduced. So whereas in cons, the company has a low interest coverage ratio and the promoters holding is also low, which was around 11.4%. The company has a low ROE, which is return on equity of 3.28% in the last 3 years, and the promoters holding has decreases over the last 3 years by almost 43.9%. So this was the pros and cons account of the first company in our list. So the second company in our list is Goenka Business and Finance Limited. So the current price is 5.8 rupees, whereas all-time high was around 12 rupees and the low was 5.55 rupees. In the last 1 year, the company has delivered negative 25% returns to its shareholders. So the company was incorporated in 1987 and the Goenka Businesses and Finance Limited is in the business of lending and other financial services. So let's have a look on the fundamental key highlight of this company. So the market cap is around 7.54 crores. The stock P's was around 53.8. The ROC was around 34%. The book value is 22 rupees and the ROE, which is return on equity, is 0.48%. So this was the fundamental key highlight of this company. So now let's have a look on the pros and cons account of this company. So in pros, the company is almost debt free. And the second one is the stock is almost trading 0.2 times its book value. Whereas in cons, the company is reportedly making profit but it's not paying any dividend. The company has a low interest coverage ratio. The promoters holding was low, which was around 15%, and the company has a low ROE, which is return on equity of the last 3 years, which was around 1.37%. So this was the pros and cons account of the second company in our list. So the third company is Smart Finsec Ltd. So the current price is around 7.58 rupees, whereas all-time high was around 9 rupees and the low was 5 rupees. In the last 1 year, the company has delivered negative 5.13% returns to its shareholders. So the company was incorporated in 1994. So the Smart Finsec Limited lends small loans and invest in stock, securities and bonds. So now let's have a look on the fundamental key highlight of this company. So the market cap is around 22 crores, the P is around 16, the ROC is around 14%, the book value is 4 rupees and the ROE, which is return on equity, was 12.3%. So this was the fundamental key highlight of this company. So now let's have a look on the pros and cons account of this company. So in pros, the company has reduced debt, whereas in cons, the company is reportedly making profit but it's not paying any dividend. And the second one is the debtors day has increased from 32.6 days to almost 68.2 days. So this was the third company in our list. So in our fourth company, it is Welcure Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited. So the current price is 3.87 rupees, whereas all-time high was around 10 rupees and the low was 3.38 rupees. In the last 1 year, the company has delivered negative 44% to its shareholders. So the company was incorporated in 1992 and the company used to manufacture pharmaceutical products. So let's have a look on the fundamental key highlights of this company. So the market cap is around 5 crores. The stock P was around 52.3. The ROC is around 12.4%. The book value is 1.1 rupees and the ROE, which is return on equity, is 12.4%. So this was the fundamental key highlight of this company. So now let's have a look on the pros and cons account of this company. So in pros, the company is almost debt free, whereas in cons, the company is reportedly making profit but it's not paying any dividend. So this was the fourth company in our list. So the last company in our list is CNI Research Ltd. So the current price is 2.14 rupees and the all-time high was around 3.48 rupees and the low was 1 rupees. So in the last 1 year, the company has delivered negative 12.6% to its shareholders. So the company was incorporated in 1982 and CNI Research Ltd is engaged in the business of equity research, content creation and financial advisor. So this was the detail about this company. So now let's have a look on the fundamental key highlight of this company. So the market cap is around 25 crores. The stock P's was around 50.1. The ROC, which is return on capital employed, is negative 1.37%. The book value is 0.87 rupees, and the ROE, which is return on equity, is 4.37%. So this was the fundamental key highlight of this company. So now let's have a look on the pros and cons account of this company. So in pros, the company is almost debt free, whereas in cons, the promoters holding was low, which was around 37.1%, and the company has a low ROE, which is return on equity, of around 5% over the last 3 years. So in summary, I just want to tell you these are all the 5 important companies who are listed on the stock market, whose current price was below 10 rupees and who doesn't have a lot of debt. So these are all the result of it, and just as a reminder, this is not a bias or recommendation video, so please do your own analysis before investing. So thank you so much for spending some time with us. We will back with another topic. Till then, bye and have a nice day. Bye bye.